time did you get into Linz?
Oh, it was about something like 10:30.
You have much trouble?
Not very much. The way coming down was a big wooded stretch, and the road went down through a deep defile, and we had to do a lot of dismounted action. It took us quite a while to work through that. Outside of that, we had no opposition.
I see. What was the reaction after you came in?
Oh, we came into the town, went right across the big bridge and down the main street, and the people came out and cheered and yelled at us.
Oh, friendly. Well, Lieutenant Decker, how did you reconnoiter the town?
Well, when we first came in and went over the bridge, I split up into sections and sent them out throughout the different streets. And the section I was with, we saw two appeared to be crouching a motorcycle, and they took off down the road. So we fired at them and chased them with a Jeep. And when we caught them, we found out they were city police.
Cut. Does it look like the crowd resistance is falling apart?
Well, Captain, it appears so, and I sure do hope so, because we've been pushing them for a long time and a long way now.
Well, you've done a good job here, and we'll keep at it until we get them home.
All right, keep
Well, it wasn't very tough after the artillery softened it up. We were able to walk right into town.
Find any demolitions on the bridge or anything?
Yes, the bridges were prepared, but that artillery last night on the bridge kept the Krauts away from blowing it. I think that if we'd given them more time, they'd have demolished the bridge. But I think we made it so hot that they pulled out.
Were there any civilians actually guarding the bridge or something?
There were civilians on the bridge today. They wanted to have their bridge so bad that they kept the guard on.
People are cooperative here then, huh?
Very cooperative. We had flowers and garlands, waving. Apparently the Americans were popular here for once.
Been about like a number of our towns that give you flowers and coffee and once in a while Panzerfaust mixed up with it, huh?
We came in here and were met by 3 Panzerfausts laid on the ground.
Well, it's been a grand job getting in here. I know everybody's going to be very happy to get this city and the bridge, too.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like more informative content, check my main channel as well, where you can find in-depth videos about historical weapons, vehicles and events. See the link in the description.